Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen today. First of all, I'd like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers. And if you've been watching and wondering, should you subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen? Yes, you should subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Mr. Belle got nice, good videos on his channel and everything. If you're wondering how to subscribe, that's all you have to go, ding, and you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Today I'll be doing something very different. Someone requests that I make some chicken tinola. So today I'll be doing it. I have it already on one of my videos, but it's on the stove. Someone want me cooking in the Power XL. So today I'll be doing it in the Power XL, and I'll be using some different leaves today. The one I cooked on the stove, I used spinach, but today I'll be using moringa leaves. As you see, they come on the stem. I peeled them off real nice and good, and these are the leaves right here. It's good for you, healthy for you in a time of weather like this. And my ingredients today, I'll be using some party wings and 1 spoon of butter, 1/4 of onion. And also I'll be using 3 cubes of garlic, a piece of ginger, and half a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of black pepper. And also 2 cubes of chicken broth. Also, I'll be using 5 cups of water. This is 4 cups. I'm gonna add another cup to it when I get started. So in the meantime, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cook it. As you know, I'm gonna cook it in this Power XL. So I can't cook it with this top on, so I'm gonna take this top off nice and easy for all my first time watchers. That's all you have to do. Wiggle 1-2 times and lift it up, and off it go. So I'll be using the lid today. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set this on slow cook. I will be using slow cook, and I'm gonna set my temperature. I'm gonna set the temperature at 210. I'm setting the timer at 210. And then I'm gonna set the minutes for, I'm gonna set it for 1 hour and 30 minutes. 1 hour and 30 minutes. Set it for 1 hour and 30 minutes, and I'm gonna press start. In the meantime, it's going to be circulating, so I can use it as long as it's circulating. I can put my food in while it's circulating because I'm doing a slow cook. But if I was doing any other kind of food, I cannot put it in while it's circulating. So what I'm going to do, first of all, I'm just going to add my water in here. These 2 cups right here. Just pour that in, that's like that. And I'm going to add another one to it. I'm gonna add another cup. We're gonna get this water boiling and everything. Add 1 cup like that. That's 1 cup. So altogether that makes 5 cups. 5 cups of water. Set this to the side. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put my butter in there, so while it's getting hot, my butter could be melting all that at the same time. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna let this get a little hot, and I'll be back. Okay, my water is pretty warm, so what I'm gonna do, while circulating, I still can put my party wings in. They nice and clean and everything. And I'm gonna put it in here and let it be cooking while this water is boiling and everything. That way, everything can come out nice and good. Put them in just like that. Put them in, and I'm gonna put the top on it and everything, and the rest of the ingredients I'll put it in a little bit later when everything's cooking nice and good, because I want that flavor to stay in there, so when you're tasting it, you can taste everything nice and good. What I'm gonna do, put this to the side, and I'm gonna get the top And I'm gonna put this top on like this. And all my first time viewers that's watching this video, take the top off like this. You don't want it to drip in the back and everything, so you would want it to drip in the inside. I'm gonna sit it on and I'm gonna just let it cook and put all this to the side and everything. And I will be putting the ingredients in a little bit later and I'll be back. Okay, I'm gonna take this top off. We're gonna look at it together and everything. I'm gonna take it off like this. What I'm gonna start doing, I'm gonna just start adding this black pepper in just like this. So it could be cooking in there. Add this little salt in it and everything. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take these chicken cubes and put them in. Put them in just like that so they can cook in nice and good. Put both of these in. And I'm gonna let it just get nice, start seasoning up nice and good. Put the other one right there and everything. And I'm gonna stir this up for a minute, just like that. As you see, it's a lot of juice and the chicken is cooking real nice and good, as you see. And I'm gonna just stir that up. And as you know, it's still circulating, so it's cooking while it's circulating. That's why I'm only using an hour and 30 minutes. And I'm gonna let that cook before I put the rest of the ingredients in there. Okay, as you see now, it stopped circulating. So it's all about ready to cook now. So what I'm gonna do, and as you see the chicken, by it being circulating, the chicken is getting nice and brown and cooked. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start putting the rest of the vegetables in there and everything. And I'm gonna start with this garlic right here and start putting it in all over, just like that. And this right here is good season for your body, especially with the cloves and everything. And I'm gonna put this ginger in, just like that. And I'm gonna just mix this up for a minute and let that get all in there, just like that. Mix it up nice and good, nice and seasoned. Put these onions in all over, just like that. And I'm gonna let that cook for a couple minutes before I put the rest in. Get it nice and good, season up. This is similar like a soup. It's cold outside, you need some nice and good like this for your body. Put that top on and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm gonna take this top off. We're gonna look at this together right now. See how everything's cooking. Look like it's cooking pretty good. Chicken is getting nice and brown. The juice is good. Smell good up in here though. And everything looking nice and good. I'm gonna just stir that up. So what I'm gonna do, and some of you might know these leaves and everything. You know, it took a long time to peel them off the stem. So I'm gonna just put them in there like this. I had to peel each one of them off the stem. But these are some good stem leaves right here. And it's good vitamins. And I'm gonna just put all that in there. When it cooks, it's gonna cook down to nothing. And I'm gonna put it in just like that. Yeah, we picked these, me and my wife picked these off the stems yesterday. So getting it ready for the day. So just put all that in there like that. And you can buy these leaves at any Asian store because they sell them. And I'm gonna just stir that up just like that. Like that. And let it just somehow cook. Just let it just slow cook all up in there. This right here is gonna be good. It's like a soup. Let that cook just like that. I'm gonna put this top back on. Put it on like that, and I'm I'm gonna let it cook and I'll be back. Okay, I'm finna to take this top off and look at it. We finna do this together. As you see, it's looking nice and good. It's cooking good and everything. And I'm gonna let it cook. I got about 40 something minutes left. So I'm gonna just let it cook just like that. And everything's cooking good. Everything's looking nice and good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just put the top back on and let it finish cooking like that. Okay, as you see, it stopped. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stir it up and get ready to take it out. It's finished. Look at that. And that's looking good. It's like a soup. Oh yeah, this is good for this weather. It's a good dish. I'm gonna take it out and it's done. Take it out just like that. Ready. Put this over here and that's done. Okay, this is done. I'm gonna get ready to take this out. I'm gonna take it out, put it in this bowl so we can look at this together and everything. Smelling good and everything. I'm gonna take it out and pour it right in this bowl. Just like that. Look at that, that's looking good. Pour it in that bowl like that. I'm gonna press cancel because my hand is on it. And I'm gonna get some of these leaves out of here and put right in here along with it. This is right here, it's good for when it's cold. It's cold out there now. This is good soup, like. Good soup. Just like that, and I'm gonna leave that in like that. I'm gonna set this to the side and get all that. Set that to the side, and that's looking real good, and I know it's tasty. Have this with some rice. And this right here is your chicken tinola, and that's cooking with the Bells. We did it again. If you like it, leave a comment in the box. If you don't know how to subscribe, wonder how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that, and you will subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you. Have a good one.